Well, when I was younger, I lived in pretty much what they would call the hood. I faced the same challenges as everyone else. We used blankets as winter coats because they were too expensive. But when I got to high school, I realized there's no other way out than trying to do something better. And when ECEC came along, I was like, there's my window. There's my window to get out of here and to start a new life of my own. ECEC has impacted my life in a very large amount, considering my stepfather thought that I was going to be 16, pregnant, and a drug addict, but now I have a car, a beautiful apartment, and a full-time job, and I'm going to college.
This program had changed my life because before the program, I did not know what I was going to do in my life, and I was lost for real trying to play basketball. And now, since I started working at Lincoln Electric and taking college classes, I feel like a better person. Like, I got something to lose. I got something to look forward to when I get older. I got goals. Since I started the ECEC program, my mom really looks at me different now because before I didn't know what I was going to do in my life. She'd ask me like, what you want to be when you grow up? I'd say like a basketball player, but she know deep down like the chances of that is slim. And now when she say what you want to do when you grow up, I say I want to work at Lincoln Electric, be a welder, and do manufacturing for the rest of my life because it's a good career and I really like it.
Hello, I'm Autumn Russell, and I'm the Executive Director of Magnet's Early College Early Career Program, commonly referred to as ECEC. ECEC has 3 essential objectives. The first is to raise awareness about manufacturing careers, especially among inner-city youth. The second is to develop successful career pathways for students. And the third is to reinvigorate STEM education and youth career apprenticeships to produce more skilled workers for our region's workforce.
I'm thoroughly thrilled with the program. It's the best program I've been involved in.
Second, we've created ECEC with inclusion in mind. All of our activities are meant to improve gender and racial equity in manufacturing by focusing on high schools in low-income communities.
ECEC helps me reach my goal by opening doors that I would normally not be available to me. It brings me in front of CEOs, executives, brings me to networking events, such things that would take so much longer to achieve or get to. And it's a beautiful thing.
This program has taught me more responsibility and time management.
So how does ECEC work? Our goal is to get students to graduate with an industry-recognized certification, work experience, a job offer, and a subsidized pathway to college. To get there, we start by raising awareness. We want every student to understand that manufacturing is cool, it's challenging, and exciting. But it's not enough to just get students excited. We have to get their parents and teachers supportive of manufacturing as well. In 11th and 12th grades, we place students in paid internships at local companies. Students experience welding, machining, plastic injection molding, and so much more. ECEC students will graduate with recognized, portable, and stackable credentials, as well as college credits. Throughout the program, we provide mentorship, we teach soft skills, and we offer students the support they need to succeed. We're building this model so that it can be implemented in other communities.
This is a fun program, but you have to be able to work hard and put an effort in it. So if you want to have fun and work hard, then I think this program is for you.
And just like in Germany, where this has been the model for hundreds of years, just like in America, where this has been the model at least 50 years ago for over 100 years before that, we should be able to take students who have an interest in earning a great wage, 30% more than most other jobs that they would get. Students who are interested in working with their hands and being technically advanced, working with robots, working with CNC controllers. We are trying to provide the pathway that they can get all of that and a college degree debt-free.
The advice I would give to new ECEC students is to look at the benefits of the program and where it will take you in life. Don't let a shortcoming or a setback keep you back. Push forward, open new doors, and see where it takes you.
If you're interested in learning more about ECEC, we'd love to talk to you. You can learn more online or simply send us an email.